We all want to be happy with our lives. At the same time, we are continually doing things that prevent us from being happy. That is to say, we are, in many aspects, our own happiness saboteurs. What you choose to focus on determines a large part of your life. If you don't like something, it's time to make a new decision. Don't be frightened to abandon your old habits and begin anew today. It's a fresh start to rebuild what you actually desire. These days, you don't have to give a damn. When we take the weight of the world on our shoulders instead of making our world a better place, we wind up adding to our own stress levels. Number 1. The justifications you have been making. You always have one of two things in life: either the task you are capable of doing or the reasons why you are unable to do so. While laziness may appear appealing, dedication and hard effort lead to long-term contentment and happiness. You will find a way to do anything if you really want to. If you don't, you will find an excuse. To be honest, if you have enough time and courage, practically everything is achievable. What you must keep in mind is that you cannot always wait for the ideal time and conditions, as there may not be any. Most of the time, all you have to do is take a risk and jump, and don't make the excuse that you don't have enough time. Number 2. Failure. Everyone is afraid of failure word. However, it doesn't have to be frightening though. In the end, it comes down to your attitude toward failure. If you think of failure as anything that isn't ideal, you will be unhappy for the rest of your life. Giving up is a more accurate definition of the failure. You haven't failed if you haven't given up. Consider failure as a learning curve, a process of trial and error. Accept failure as a friend. It isn't a big problem unless you make it so. Number 3. Passing the blame. It feels right to point the finger at others since you know it's not your fault. Things went wrong when you blame others for your problems, though you are evading responsibility. In reality, by self-victimizing, you are making the problem worse. Allow yourself to feel the anger, fear, or whatever emotion you are experiencing instead of blaming someone else. Number 4. Regrets. Regrets, what ifs, have no place in life. They are an inevitable part of the existence. Just forgive yourself and others if you have to. If there is anything to be learned from these experiences, that's fantastic. What good does it be to worry and feel awful about things that can't be changed? The only thing you can be certain of is to live in the present moment. It's all too easy to drive ourselves insane thinking about things we don't have control over or things we don't know about in the future. Don't waste your time worrying about things that may or may not happen. Deal with the problems when they occur. Number 5. The things you don't have. You will never have enough time, resources, or money to achieve everything perfectly. You will eventually understand that it's not what you don't have that matters. It's what you do have. The happiest and most successful individuals aren't always the luckiest, and they don't always have the best of everything. Instead, they make the most of what they have. Many people quit up because they focus on what's missing and how far they still have to go, rather than what's already there and how far they have come.